In this session, we will learn how to evaluate a postfix expression using a stack. Postfix expression is also known as reverse Polish notation. Place the operators after the operands. This method removes the need for parentheses and follows a simple left to right evaluation. We will walk through the process step by step using a clear example. Let's get started. To evaluate the postfix expression, follow these simple steps. First step is read the expression from left to right. If you find an operand like a number, character, just simply push it onto the stack. Next step is, suppose if the character is an operator such as plus, minus, multiplication, division, for that, you have to pop the top two operands from the stack. Then perform the operation using these two operands. Make sure to maintain the order. The second popped element becomes the left operand and the first popped value is the right operand. Next step is push the result back into the stack. Repeat this process until we have read all the characters in the expression. Finally, the value left in the stack is the result of the postfix expression. And that's how the postfix evaluation works using a stack. Very fast, efficient and simple. Let's evaluate the postfix expression by using the simple example. Here the expression is 6, 2, 3 plus 8 multiplication symbol and plus. We will use a stack to help us. First we read 6. It is an operand. So we push it into the stack. Next we read 2. Again it's an operand. Push it into the stack. Then we read 3. It is also an operand. So push it into the stack. Now we see a plus sign, an operator. We pop the two numbers 3 and 2. We calculate 2 plus 3 which gives us 5 and push that result back onto the stack. Next is 8, another operand. So push into the stack. Then we hit the multiplication symbol. So we pop 8 and 5 from the stack, multiply them to get 40 and push that back to the stack. Finally, we reach the another plus symbol. Pop 40 and 8, add them to get 46 and push it. Now the stack has just one value 46 and that's our final answer. So the result of the expression is 46. So we learned how to use a stack to process operands and operators step by step and how the postfix simplifies the expression evaluation without reading any parentheses. Yes, thank you for watching.